Welcome back to the Architecture Channel, where rustic vintage charm meets timeless architectural beauty. Today, we're stepping inside a dream architecture house inspired by the elegance and romance of classic Parisian design. Imagine ornate details, tall windows, soft neutral palettes, and that effortless blend of old-world grandeur and modern comfort. This home is not just a place to live, it's a story written in stone, iron, and light. From the very first glance, the exterior captures the spirit of traditional Parisian architecture. A symmetrical façade, wrought-iron balconies, and tall arched windows immediately set the tone. The limestone-inspired finish reflects a soft, creamy hue that glows beautifully in natural daylight, creating that refined European presence while still feeling warm and welcoming. As we approach the entrance, notice the grand double doors framed with intricate moldings. The detailing echoes the elegance often seen in historic Parisian townhouses, yet the craftsmanship feels fresh and intentional. Subtle lantern-style lighting adds a rustic vintage touch, bridging the gap between classic architecture and cozy home aesthetics. Stepping inside, the foyer greets us with soaring ceilings and delicate wall paneling. The moldings are detailed yet not overwhelming, painted in soft ivory tones that enhance the natural light pouring in from oversized windows. A vintage-inspired console table and an antique mirror complete the space, offering that perfect balance between architectural grandeur and lived-in warmth. The living room is where Parisian elegance truly shines. Herringbone wood floors stretch across the space, adding movement and depth. A carved stone fireplace acts as the focal point, reminiscent of old European salons. Plush linen sofas in muted neutral tones create an inviting contrast to the structured architectural details. One of the defining features of this dream house is the abundance of natural light. Floor-to-ceiling windows dressed in sheer curtains allow sunlight to gently filter through. The light enhances the textures of aged wood, brushed brass, soft cotton, and raw linen, creating a layered and dimensional environment that feels effortlessly curated. The dining area carries the same architectural grace. A long rustic wooden table sits beneath an elegant chandelier, blending countryside simplicity with Parisian refinement. Ornate ceiling medallions draw the eye upward, reminding us that in homes inspired by classic European design, the ceiling is just as important as the floor. In the kitchen, traditional meets contemporary in the most harmonious way. Shaker-style cabinetry in a soft grayish tone pairs beautifully with marble countertops. Brass fixtures add warmth and subtle luxury, while open wooden shelving introduces a relaxed, rustic character that prevents the space from feeling too formal. The staircase deserves special attention. Its curved silhouette, wrought-iron balustrade, and wooden handrail evoke the romance of historic Parisian buildings. As it ascends, natural light from a tall window highlights every detail, turning a functional structure into a sculptural architectural statement. Moving into the primary bedroom, we're embraced by softness and serenity. Wall panel moldings create gentle symmetry behind an upholstered bed in a neutral fabric. Layered bedding in cream, taupe, and soft gray tones enhances the calm ambience, while vintage bedside lamps add a subtle golden glow in the evenings. The en-suite bathroom feels like a boutique hotel in the heart of Paris. Marble flooring, a freestanding clawfoot tub, and antique-style brass faucets set the tone. Large mirrors with ornate frames reflect the light, making the space feel expansive while preserving that intimate, romantic atmosphere. Throughout the house, texture plays a crucial role. From distressed wood beams subtly integrated into the ceilings to lightly aged finishes on furniture pieces, each element contributes to a layered narrative. The result is a home that feels collected over time rather than newly constructed, even though it's thoughtfully designed from the ground up. Outdoor spaces continue the story seamlessly. A small courtyard styled with wrought-iron furniture and potted olive trees evokes a European terrace atmosphere. Neutral stone paving and climbing greenery create a serene escape, perfect for morning coffee or intimate evening gatherings under soft string lights. This home also reflects a lifestyle rooted in intention. The neutral color palette promotes calm, the architectural details inspire creativity, and the rustic vintage accents add personality. It's a reminder that great design is not about excess, but about thoughtful curation and timeless inspiration. As we conclude our tour inside this dream architecture house inspired by iconic Parisian architecture, I hope you found inspiration for your own space. Whether it's adding wall moldings, incorporating vintage textures, or embracing a neutral palette, there are so many ways to capture this elegant aesthetic. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and continue creating beauty in your own home story.